Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming system compatibility and freeing resources, because live wallpapers need CPU and GPU headroom. Once done, pick a trusted app. Wallpaper Engine on Steam is the standard choice. Then download and install it. Make sure to close heavy programs so the installer runs smoothly. This prevents conflicts. You should also create a quick backup or restore point before changing system-level settings, since that makes recovering simple if something goes wrong. You run the installer with administrator rights so the app can register drivers and startup tasks. This avoids later permission problems. Once installed, open Settings and choose Performance options, balance quality versus battery life, and set an FPS limit to reduce load. Then import a wallpaper or browse the built-in library, test one or two to check CPU/GPU impact, and preview them on your desktop. If a wallpaper stutters, lower quality or disable effects before proceeding. You finalize by applying the chosen wallpaper and deciding whether it should start with the system. This saves manual setup each boot. Once applied, monitor CPU, GPU, and battery for about 24 hours so you can spot spikes. Adjust quality, FPS, or auto-pause on full-screen apps if needed. If the wallpaper causes instability, update graphics drivers, disable game overlays, run the app as administrator, or revert the system restore point you created. These steps usually resolve crashes or black screens.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.